Guys, my package just came in from Amazon.
What game is that?
Yeah, what game is that? I'm gonna explain the game.
Okay.
Overrated. Alright guys, we got the location cards. Each one of us gets 7 cards apiece. Are you guys ready? Chuck E. Cheese. I think this place violated every minute. Okay. And now we're doing okay. Love this place. My anger management meetings are held here all the time.
Yep.
You got this one. Fat camp. All the homeless people hanging on here. Okay, and a bunch of uglies that work here. Great spot to pick up hotties for a little Saturday night romp in the shed. Do you even know what that means?
Nope.
You got that one.
Judge's choice? Too lit room.
This spot bangs every weekend. I bring all my shorties here.
Yep.